This is your presenter Asloob Mudassar, and I am presenting slide number 21 of the course on laser physics. Question is, in how many general ways can laser types be categorized? The answer is, the following chart explains the general ways in which laser types can be categorized. 4 categories are shown. Let's first read the caption. Diagram giving types and categories of laser sources. So on the left we have laser sources. You see that laser sources are broadly classified as continuous or pulsed. So on the left hand side we have laser sources. The upward arrow points towards the continuous beam sources and the downward arrow points towards the pulsed beam sources. So these are the two main categories, that is the continuous beam sources and the pulsed beam sources. Now let's see beyond other than these, that is the laser sources can be broadly classified with respect to the active medium, wavelength category, power category and size category. So we have these 4 categories which are shown in the middle. So with respect to the active medium category, we can have 3 types of active medium, that is the solid state lasers. For example, in solid state lasers we have the crystals, for example, as the active medium. We have liquid lasers and then we have the gas lasers. So these are the 3 categories which fall with respect to the category of the active medium. Then we have the wavelength category. So the lasers could be operating in IR lasers. IR mean infrared lasers. The lasers could be invisible, which we call visible lasers, UV lasers, and then we have the X-ray lasers. So these are the main categories with respect to the wavelength. Then we have the power category. So the power can be categorized as from a few milliwatt to a few megawatt as continuous beam. And then we can have from a few milliwatt to a few terawatt as pulsed beam. So you can see that in the pulses we have the power which is much greater than, and we have in the range of terawatt, and the maximum range for the continuous beam we have the megawatt. Then with respect to the size category, the size could be from a few micrometer to a few kilometer. So these are the categories of the lasers and the types of the laser we have presented. Main categories are 4 with respect to active medium, with respect to wavelength, with respect to power, and with respect to the size. The other 2 main broad categories are the continuous beam lasers and the pulsed beam lasers. So I think that this explains the answer to the question. So this is the end of slide number 21.